Good morning, dear students. Last day we studied about articles. Especially indefinite articles a and an. We learned about its usages. I think you remember it. Today we are going to learn about definite article the, its usage, and also about the omission of articles in sentences. Out of three articles, the is called definite article. Why is it called definite? What is the meaning of definite? Because it shows definiteness. Okay, and there are definite rules and situations to use this definite article. Okay, let's see one by one. The first usage of definite article is to use it before unique things. Since nouns refer to names of people, place, or things, this is used before unique things. For example, there is only one moon, one sun, the stars are unique, the earth, the universe. Before all these, we use the definite article, that is the. Before particular persons or things, like the man whom you met yesterday is my uncle. Simply, if we talk about man, we use a or an before it. Okay, but here, since already there is a mentioning of whom you met yesterday, so in order to mention that this is a particular man, in order to mention that, we use the. The second example is the lady you saw at the theater is my wife. The bungalow you like is already sold. The girl in a red saree is my sister. Okay, so these are already mentioned. In order to mention particular things or persons, we use definite article. It's also used before the names of rivers. For example, the Ganga, the Yamuna, the Kaveri, the Nile, the Thames. Before all these names of rivers, we use definite article the. We use definite article the before holy books like the Quran, the Bible, the Vedas, the Gita, etc. Also before the names of epics like the Ramayana, the Mahabharata, the Iliad, the Odyssey. But only one difference is that when we mention about author, we omit this article. For example, Homer's Odyssey. It's used before the names of the seas. For example, the Arabian Sea, the Caspian Sea, the Dead Sea, etc. Definite article the is used before the names of oceans like Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, the Pacific Ocean, etc. It's used before the names of mountain ranges like the Himalayas, the Alps, the Andes, the valleys, etc. But no article is used before the mountain names like or peaks like Mount Abu, Mount Everest, etc. When we say it, we don't mention the Mount Everest, but Mount Everest only, Mount Abu only. We use this article before the names of deserts like the Sahara Desert, the Khanj Desert, the Arabian Desert, the Black Rock Desert, etc. When we say the names of islands like the Andaman and Nicobar, Butcher Island, Cross Island, etc., we use article the or the definite article. The definite article is used before the names of newspapers like the Times of India, the Sandesh, the Gujarat Samachar, the Indian Express, the Divya Bhaskar, the Malayalam Manorama, the Madhrubhumi, etc. Definite article is again used before the names of famous buildings like the LIC building, the Eiffel Tower, the Qutub Minar, and the Red Fort. It's used before the wonders of the world, before the names of the wonders of the world. For example, the Taj Mahal, the pyramids, the Great Wall of China. This article is used before the names of banks like the Bank of India, the State Bank of India, the Bank of Baroda, the Union Bank, the ICICI Bank, the HDFC Bank, etc. Definite article is used before the names of musical instruments like the flute, the tabla, the sitar, the piano, the guitar, the drum, the violin, etc. This article is used before the names of directions like the north, the west, the east, the south, the southeast, the northwest, etc. Definite article the is used before the names of trains, ships, or aeroplanes. Examples: the Titanic, the Vikrant, the Veeraj, the Kashmir Mail, the Indian Airlines, the Victoria, etc. It's again used before the names of famous historical events. For example, the Republic Day, the Renaissance, the Independence, the Reformation, etc. It's used before the names of nationalities, sects, and communities like the French, that is nationality, the Indians, nationality, Sikhs, that is a sect, the British, that is also a sect, the Hindus, communities, the Muslims, it mentions communities. Dear children, I think that now you are aware of the usage of articles a, an, and the. In this class, I told you the usage of the, that is definite article. One thing you remember, children, it's used before definite things, definite people, or definite places. Okay, all these we have seen that this definiteness. Okay, with this we will proceed to the omission of articles. What do you mean by omission of articles? That means in certain places, before certain nouns, we should not use articles. We have to omit these articles before certain names or certain nouns. You'll see what are they. First, we will discuss about omission of indefinite articles a and an. First rule is that a or an is not used with a plural noun. We have seen that it is used before nouns, but this is used only with singular. If it is plural, we don't use it. For example, dogs, it's not a dogs. Girls, it's not a girls. Books, it's not a books. It's not used before uncountable with unconditional nouns. For example, furniture, it's uncountable and there is no conditions laid upon it, so we cannot use any of the articles here. It is not a furniture or an furniture or okay, it's only furniture, machinery, gold, scenery, etc. It's omitted before the names of meals. Meals, you know, that is nouns only, but we don't use before the names of meals. We have breakfast at 8. It is not we have a breakfast. We eat dinner tonight or together. It's not a dinner, it's dinner only. That is right. I told you that we should not use articles before the names of meals. But if the name of meal is accompanied with an adjective, we use it. For example, she gave them a good breakfast. a good. Good is there. So before that we have to use article. Also, we were invited to dinner at her marriage ceremony. And here there is marriage ceremony. It is characterized there. So we use the article a. Next, we will discuss omission of the, that is definite article the. I told you it is definite, but we should not use the names of proper nouns. For example, Newton is a great scientist. It is not the Newton. But when the article is used before proper noun, it becomes common noun. We have seen this rule. Newton, Shakespeare, etc. It means other persons, or it means generally who has the quality of Newton, Shakespeare, Mother Teresa, etc. It's not used before material and abstract nouns. For example, iron is a useful metal. It's not the iron. And for abstract noun, honesty is the best policy. It is not an honesty or the honesty. It's honesty is enough. Definite article is not used before the names of meal or games. For example, we like to play cricket. It's not the cricket. We eat dinner together, not a dinner together. The is not used after possessive case. For example, this is my book. Okay, means my, after that the book. No need. Also, the is not used before the name of parts of body. For example, or name of cloth. Do not move your hand. It is not, do not move the hand. Article the is not used before school, college, church, bed, etc. when these places are visited or used for their primary purpose. What's the meaning of primary purpose? The purpose actually it means, for example, we go to school. The meaning is to learn. For that we don't use, but if there is other than this purpose, we use the. Okay, so please remember, children, you must keep in your mind that if it is used only for the primary purpose, we don't use it. Someone goes to church, meaning is to pray. Someone goes to bed, the meaning is to sleep. If it is used for the primary purpose or the purpose it actually means, we don't use article the. But when it is used for its other purposes, we use the. For example, I went to the school to see the headmaster. What is the primary purpose of school? To learn. If there is any intention other than this primary purpose, we have to use definite article. For example, I went to the school means it is, the purpose is something else other than learning. He went to the hospital to see his uncle. What's the primary purpose of going to hospital? To for treatment. Okay, but to visit, that is another or secondary purpose. There we use the. The is not used before office or town. For example, now he is in office. That means for his duty or responsibility. We went to town for shopping. Indicate the speakers on town. It's clear. But if office means the place of work, then the is used. He is in the office. Okay. Definite articles is not used before the name of squares or building or avenue or street and park. For example, yesterday I went to Kamal Atatürk Avenue. Go along Khalid Street. Okay, before that, before the names of these buildings, squares, etc., we don't use definite article. I told you for historical buildings we use it, but for other buildings we don't use it. We went to Ramna Park. I visited Buckingham Palace. but the can be used before the name of roads. For example, go along the green road. The is not used before man or woman in the sense of mankind, and before father, mother, uncle, and baby. When it expresses our father, our mother, our uncle, our aunt, our baby, etc. Okay, please remember this rule. The is not used before nature if it does not indicate the behavior of someone. For example, there is two meanings for nature. One is the nature of people, another one is nature that we see around us. So when we talks about the nature of people, we don't use article. The it's not used before home when it means the home of the speaker or the person spoken to. For example, stay at home or go to home. Here it means this is a home of the person or the person spoken to. But when home is followed by a descriptive phrase or clause, the is necessary. For example, he returned to the home where he had been so happy, and after home there is a clause, so we must use the before home. She was married in the home of her grandparents. Okay, after home there is a phrase, so we must use the if it is followed by a phrase or clause. The is not used before the names of seasons and festivals like summer, winter, spring, autumn, etc. Summer is the best time for picnic. The first time I went to Darjeeling was the summer. Okay, that means that denotes a specific summer. If it is specified, you have to use the. Otherwise, if it is generally used, don't use the. But the rainy season is right. It's not rainy season, but we use the rainy season. Children, all these rules we know already. Okay, that means when we talk, most often we use it in our daily language. Still, this is only for learning. That's why please go through these rules and please follow or please do the exercise that is given in your textbook and submit it to me today itself before 8 o'clock. All the works should be completed from this lesson. That's page number 17, 18, 19. All this exercise you must do and study. Be prepared for a test paper of 2 lessons, that is adjectives and articles together. We will have a test paper. I'll tell you when during the live class. Okay, children, thank you for listening. Please go through this video carefully and study. Thank you.